The planet Jupiter. Jupiter is the most massive planet in our solar system, followed by Saturn. Jupiter has a mass that is 318 times greater than the Earth's and a diameter of 11 times as large. The rotation period is approximately 9 hours and 50 minutes, making it spin on its axis nearly 2 3/4 as fast as the Earth. Jupiter has a magnetic field which is 20 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. One consequence of a planet having a magnetic field is that it develops radiation belts, where charged particles from the sun are trapped around the planet. In the case of the Earth, these belts are known as the Van Allen belts. Jupiter's radiation belts are many times stronger than the Van Allen belts. The charged particles in the Jovian radiation belts emit a lot of radiation in the radio region of the electromagnetic spectrum. The Jovian moon Io has its orbit well within the radiation belts. There are some poorly understood interactions taking place between the moon and these particles in these radiation belts, which cause occasional radio noise storms from these regions of Jupiter's environment. The Earth's northern lights, aurora borealis, are caused by the charged particles in the Van Allen belts. The same holds true for Jupiter, and very strong aurora have been observed in Jupiter's atmosphere. Jupiter's electromagnetic field is the result of what is speculated to be due to a rocky core in which iron or some other highly metallic ore is present. This core is thought to make up a substantial portion of the planet's interior, approximately one third of the entire interior. Beyond the core, an ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen is believed to surround it. This ocean of metallic hydrogen makes up only a small percentage of Jupiter's interior. The final layer of Jupiter's interior is a vast ocean of molecule hydrogen which covers the entire planet. In the visible region of the electromagnetic spectrum, we can only see the cloud tops of Jupiter. The temperature in this region is cold about 150 K minus 190 F. The Jovian atmosphere shows many interesting features. Bands of various colors and oval features such as the planet's great red spot. The great red spot is many times the size of the Earth and measures approximately 14,000 km wide by 40,000 km long. It has been observed by astronomers for over 300 years who are still unclear about exactly how it operates. But it appears to be some sort of a gigantic cyclonic disturbance, high pressure area. Material circulates around it. Smaller spots come and go, but the great red spot somehow resists breaking up. Jupiter has a very thin ring that is nowhere near as elaborate as the ring system of Saturn. It was not until 1979 when Voyager 1 flew by Jupiter that the ring was found. Detailed photographs taken by Voyager 2nd a few months later revealed that the ring is made up of dark reddish material, probably a broken up small moon of Jupiter. Jupiter has a number of satellites which seem to fall into two distinct groups. At last count, 17 moons had been discovered orbiting around the planet, and most of them are small, only a few miles in size, and dark like the Martian moons, Deimos and Phobos. However, the four Galilean moons or satellites are each fascinating worlds in their own rights and speak volumes about the history of the solar system. The most notable of the Jovian moons is perhaps Io. Io is just slightly larger than the Earth's moon. It is orbiting close to a very massive planet. So, the tidal stresses on the interior of the satellite are great and cause it to have a hot interior. It is evident from the Voyager pictures of what has taken place on Io. The Voyager missions have also shown that Io is covered with volcanoes and active lava flows. So far, 8 active volcanoes have been discovered. The surface of Io is being changed continually by volcanism. Besides, it has been observed that some of the volcanic gases and some solid material are escaping from the satellite and are being left behind in the Io's orbit. Actually, the tidal stresses cannot account for the entire story of what causes Io to have a hot interior and volcanic activity. Io moves through the Jovian magnetic field and the satellite carries an electric charge. Huge electric current flows between the Jupiter and Io. So Io is really wired. This is the only known place other than the Earth where active volcanoes are known to exist for sure.